Hi, I'm so excited to see you. We are doing a short Pilates at your desk routine today, so this is great for anyone, obviously, who's sitting a lot during the day and just needs a break. So let me set you up for it, just to know that we're not going to be doing a ton of ab work and a ton of leg work and squats. This needs to be something realistic that you can fit in when you are at work sitting at your desk. So it's really more about helping you with your posture, getting you centered, and using those Pilates principles to kind of help get you back into your body when you might be like this all day, especially in that afternoon slump, all right? So I want you to scoot back away from your desk. We are not going to be using the desk itself because it's usually cluttered and full of things, and I want you to have a little bit of space. So scoot back just slightly, however much room you have is completely fine. So when you're ready, we're going to lift the right arm up, and I just want you to slightly lean over, look up, and then bring it back down. Left arm up, and same thing over. So we'll do a few here. So like I said, this workout is to get you moving, especially in your spine, and then also to get you into your breath again. If you are having a stressful day, if you just got off one of those conference calls that we all know about and wish that we could stay away from, then you need to find your breath again. Okay, so let's exhale, reach up and over. Inhale. Nice job. On this one, right arm's gonna reach up, and then I want you to twist to your left and bring the right hand down. Okay, so now I'm using my knee as a little leverage to twist more. Good, bring the right arm back up, twist back to center, lower it back down. Good job, left arm comes up. Then twist your spine. Bring the left hand down, but keep the spine tall as you rotate a little more. And then left arm comes back up. Center and down. Let's do that whole series one more time. So the right arm comes up first, right? Because we're trying to, again, increase that mobility in the shoulder. Get it open after hunching over the computer screen all day. Twist to your left. Now keep that twist as you bring the hand down and see if you can twist a little more. Look over that shoulder. Then the arm comes back up and we come back. Last one. Left arm up. Rotate. I'm still heavy on both sit bones. The left hand comes down. I'm going to rotate more. And then left arm up. And come back. Arm comes down. Good. Tuck your chin. Roll forward. And just let yourself drape over your legs. Place your left hand either on the ground or anywhere between your legs here. Right arm comes up and twist. And if you're thinking, there's no way I'm going to do this in my office because everyone would see, that's okay. Adjust as needed, or hopefully you're in a space where you can just be in your body and no one can see or no one cares. Right hand down, left hand up. But believe me, this is going to give you the energy to get through the rest of your day. And then roll yourself back up. Good. Hands come together in front of you. Interlock your fingers. Reach the hands forward as you tuck your chin and press your middle back into the chair. So basically you're trying to reach your hands forward and your knees forward, and so you're rounding your spine. Then hands come up, look up, and give yourself a little back bend. Okay, hands come down, round. So this is almost like a cat-camel stretch in your chair. Inhale to lift. Two more. And lift back up. Nice job. Hands come down. Give yourself a little more of a back bend here. And then sit up nice and tall. Good job. We're going to straighten the right leg out in front of you. Pull the toes back. And I just want you to hold this here. So I'm really tightening my quad, my upper leg muscle. I'm sitting up as tall as I can. And it's almost like I'm trying to lift my heel up higher and I'm pulling the toes back. Now point, flex, point, flex, 4, 3, 2, 1. Place the leg back down. Left leg, lift it up first. Find that tight quad, like you're trying to lock your knee. Pull the toes back towards you. Sit up tall, and let's point, flex. So you're getting a little movement in your sciatic nerve here. 3, 2, 1, and lower the leg down. All right, we're gonna do that again, but I'm gonna add a piece to it. So lift the right leg up. Pull the toes towards you, and then tuck your chin. Point, lift your chin. Okay, flex, tuck, point, lift. One more, flex, tuck, point, lift, lower down. Other side. Flex your toes, tuck your chin, point, lift your head. Good, just a couple more. Be really mindful and purposeful with these movements. It's like your self-care in the middle of the day. Good, and then lower the foot back down. Nice job. Bring your right leg up. You can use your hands to help. Cross the ankle over the knee. So my left ankle is crossed over, my right ankle is crossed over my left knee. Good, sit up nice and tall, and then hinge or lean forward. So you decide how far you can go. This alone might be enough of a stretch. If you need or want a little more, you can lean forward. Sometimes I'll actually put my elbows down and just kind of let my leg go side to side and just working or wiggling my way into it. Good, and breathe, maybe go a little farther. Nice, sit back up. Bring that foot down. Find the other one. Sit up tall first. Good, and then maybe hinge forward. Good, I could stay here all day. And come back up. Place that foot down. Bring your arms up. One more time, really big stretch up. Bring your hands down, tuck your chin, round forward. Inhale, exhale, sit back up. Good, and just see if you feel a little bit taller, a little more energized, and have a great rest of your day.